able to get that. Well, it's so one hand, 0, 2.
We are the only ones here, and this is the middle of nowhere. Excellence. We're out in the woods, just northwest of Strawberry Reservoir in Utah, and it is beautiful. We're truck camping. Got the whole family back there. It's awesome. One thing I'm not happy about is that whoever camped here before left a lot of broken glass and bottle caps around the campfire, and that makes me want to look for a different spot for the kids. Other than that, I really like this spot. It's pretty level and beautiful. It has a nice fire pit there. And just a pretty place. So if you have a special spot, go ahead and share it. Don't have to give the exact coordinates, but let me know in the comments if it's new to you or if it's been there, a place you've been going a long time. I've been up here one time before, years ago, with my big brother, and I forgot how bumpy the road in was. We came in pretty late last night, and it was dark, and looked like driving up a cliff on like a death highway or something, because it just looked like a drop on a skinny trail. But it was fine. It was just a 4-wheel drive trail for sure. And so once we got it over, getting up the hill in here, it's gorgeous, and got some serious solitude. Look at that. That's the way we came from. Anyways, please share my video and like it and subscribe it if you did enjoy it, and comment below. I appreciate that.